Are you struggling to get subscribers or drive traffic to your channel? In this video, I'm going to break it down to you on how you can get 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours. Most creators take months or even years to hit their 1,000 subscribers, but with this new strategy, you can achieve this in just 24 hours. Sounds crazy, right? In case it's your first time to come across this beautiful face, I'm Nora, and on this channel I talk about all things making money online, and I can also help you grow your YouTube channel from subscribers to watch time to monetization. If this is the kind of content you love watching, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share this video, leave a sweet comment. Without wasting your time, we're going to get straight to the video. As we said, I'm going to give you the newest YouTube strategy that is blowing up small YouTube channels right now. I mean, I'm gonna give you this new strategy that is making small creators like you hit 1,000 and more subscribers in just 24 hours. I know you're excited. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you the new strategy right away. So the fastest way to hit your 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours is using the YouTube Shorts. I know you've been maybe posting shorts or long form videos, but this is crazy and it is working, guys. The YouTube Shorts are currently being pushed like crazy by YouTube. What I mean is that YouTube is currently pushing YouTube Shorts to a whole lot of people, and if you want to hit 1,000 subscribers and even gain your watch hours, then YouTube Shorts is the real deal right now. You're not going to just post shorts. Let me give you the real strategy on how you're going to post your YouTube Shorts in order to get subscribers. One thing I have to tell you for free is that YouTube Shorts attract a lot of views. You can post, even if you are a new creator like me, you can post a short right now, and within 24 hours you could even have 100,000 views. But the trick is converting those views into subscribers, and that is what I'm going to show you, or I'm going to tell you right away. You see, as I have said, shorts are currently a ticket to getting 1,000 subscribers in just 24 hours. And one thing you have to know is that you are not going to go viral here on YouTube by posting random shorts. Yeah, there are kind of shorts that you have to post in order to achieve what you are looking for. That is 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours or less. So you're going to, you need high demand shorts. High demand shorts are, for example, quick tutorials. Yeah, quick tutorials like how to do something, like DIYs and all that. You can also post shorts about relatable memes in your niche. And memes are currently one of the best things that people are using in order to go viral here, not only here on YouTube, but also in other social platforms. So post relatable memes in your niche. For example, if your niche is YouTube growth or making money online, you can research about the memes in that niche. Then you are gonna create memes and start posting. I promise you, you're going to get hundreds of thousands of views, and from those views, you're definitely going to get subscribers. Another type of shorts that you can post is reaction style content. This is another type of content that is blowing up small YouTube channels right now. People are engaging themselves in posting reaction style content. This is where you take someone's let's say you take someone's video, then you insert your face at the corner, and maybe you do something like you are commentating that video, or you are trying to explain what is happening in that particular video. That is what we call reaction style content. So the issue here is to make or post about 5 shots daily. You see, if you post, high quality shots, then you add quantity, that is post more shots each and every single day. Quality and quantity is equals to, going viral, or the YouTube algorithm is definitely going to favor your channel, and it's going to be promoting your video or recommending your video to a whole lot of people, and from there you're definitely going to go viral. So let me tell you another thing that you are going to do to your shorts in order for them to get a lot of views and also drive subscribers to your channel. Your title and thumbnail decide if people are going to actually click your short. Yeah, so you should make sure that your thumbnail and your title are really eye-catching. More so your thumbnail, it should be eye-catching. It should help me stop scrolling and to not decide to click on your video. Make them simple and readable. For example, ensure that you make your title very short, but then you should make it appear in search engines in the YouTube algorithm. And one thing I have to tell you for free is that I have tried this strategy. For real, I have tried this strategy, and within hours I have gained over 500 subscribers. I'm not even kidding. So imagine what would happen if you post a video today. You could even wake up tomorrow with over 1,000 subscribers. What I'm trying to tell you is that this is the new YouTube strategy that creators are using to draw subscribers and even viewers in their channels. I tried this strategy yesterday. I posted a short. I made sure that the short thumbnail was very clickable, and also the title was top notch. So within 2 hours, I had over 20,000 views and over 500 subscribers. So this strategy is really working, and I'm curious to know if you're going to try it right away, or you're just going to sit there and struggle with subscribers. You people, let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this, and if you tried it already, please tell us in the comment section what really happened to your channel. Did you get subscribers? Let us have a conversation in the comment section. I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Make sure to like, subscribe, and let's see you in my next video.